You ever feel like the system is rigged? That no matter what you do, no matter how hard you work or how much you save, real wealth always seems just out of reach? Here's the truth. It's not just a feeling. The system is designed this way. We're all told to follow the same path. Get a job, save what little you can, maybe invest in a few stocks, and eventually you'll be comfortable in retirement. Comfort isn't wealth. Wealth is freedom. And the truth is, very few people ever get there because they've been fed the wrong information from the start. The game is set up so that the majority of people stay where they are, working, struggling, and never really breaking free, while a select few build wealth. Why? Because that's exactly how the rich want it to be. But here's the good news. Today, we're going to show you how to beat the system, step by step. We'll reveal the untold truth of how to build wealth from nothing and how you can change your financial future, starting right now. Money. It's something we all need, yet most of us never really master it. Why? Because from a young age, we're taught to think about money in a way that benefits the rich, not us. We're told that working hard is the key to success. But here's the catch. It's not about how hard you work. It's about how you play the game. The rich aren't working harder than you. They've just been playing a different game, one that most of us don't even know the rules to. They use strategies that multiply their money, not strategies that keep them trapped in a cycle of earning and spending like the rest of us. So how do we get out of this cycle and start building wealth from nothing? Let's start with the first lie most people are told, that saving money is the key to wealth. Don't get me wrong, saving is important, but saving alone will never make you rich. Why? Because money sitting in a bank account isn't doing anything for you. Inflation is eating away at it year after year. Meanwhile, the rich are using their money to make more money. If you want to build wealth, you have to make your money work for you. This means investing, but not just any investing. The rich don't park their money in regular savings accounts or even basic stocks. They look for opportunities to make their money multiply. Real estate, businesses, and other high-return investment. And you don't need a lot to start, just the right mindset and strategy. You might be thinking, but I don't have money to invest, and that's exactly what they want you to think. The second lie you've been told is that you need a lot of money to start building wealth. The truth? The rich started with very little too. What sets them apart isn't the amount of money they had in the beginning, how they used what they had. One of the biggest keys to building wealth is learning how to leverage other people's money. This is what the rich do all the time. They don't use their own savings to buy real estate or fund their businesses. They use loans, partnerships, and investments from others to grow their wealth. And here's the kicker. They let those assets pay off the debt while they collect the profits. The system is rigged in their favor, but once you know the rules, you can play the same game. Let's talk about debt. Most people are terrified of it, and rightfully so. If you use debt wrong, it can destroy you. But if you use debt smartly, it can be the exact tool you need to build wealth. This is what the wealthy understand better than anyone else. Not all debt is bad. There's a huge difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is what keeps you stuck. Credit cards, car loans, anything that takes money out of your pocket and doesn't give anything back. But good debt, that's what the rich use to get ahead. They borrow money to buy assets, real estate, businesses, stocks that generate income. And those assets not only pay off the debt, but also provide extra income on top. That's how wealth is built from nothing. So how do you start when you have nothing? You start by understanding that you don't need money. You need strategy. Take real estate, for example. Most people think you need to have hundreds of thousands in the bank to buy a property. But did you know there are ways to buy real estate with little to no money down? You can use techniques like house hacking, where you buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others to cover the mortgage. Or you can partner with investors who have the capital but need someone to manage the property. The possibilities are endless once you stop thinking in terms of what you don't have and start focusing on what you can leverage. But real estate isn't the only path to wealth. You can also build wealth through businesses. And here's the thing. You don't need to quit your job and start a massive company to make this happen. Many of the wealthiest people started with a simple side hustle, something they could do outside of their 9-to-5 that eventually turned into a full-time income. E is to start small, build skills, and reinvest the profits. Maybe you start by freelancing, offering a service like graphic design, writing, or consulting. As you gain experience, you can turn that side hustle into a business. Once you've built that income stream, you can use the money to invest in other ventures or real estate. This is how you create multiple streams of income, the real secret to wealth. You see, the biggest mistake people make is thinking there's only one way to build wealth, or that they need a huge break to get started. The truth is, you can start with nothing, but you have to be willing to think outside the box. The rich didn't get wealthy by following the traditional path. They didn't sit around waiting for raises or rely solely on saving a small percentage of their paycheck. They took risks, learned how to use other people's money, and built multiple streams of income. So what's holding you back? Is it fear? Doubt? Or maybe it's just the way you've been taught to think about money your entire life. The truth is, building wealth is available to anyone willing to break free from the conventional wisdom, start thinking like the wealthy. Not easy, but it's simple once you know the rules of the game. Now, here's your next step. Stop focusing on what you don't have and start focusing on what you can do. Do you have time? Use it to build skills or start a side hustle. Do you have a little money saved? Invest it strategically, even if it's just a small amount. Can you take on good debt? Use it to acquire income-producing assets. The system might be rigged. That doesn't mean you have to stay stuck in it. Wealth is within reach for anyone willing to play the game differently. And before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Do you feel like the system is rigged against you? What's your biggest struggle when it comes to building wealth? I want to start a conversation because the more we talk about this, the more people we can help. And if you want to keep learning how to build wealth and combat the system that's working against you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more strategies to share with you on this journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.